Hi everyone, this is Vajahat from TechW. In this video, we're going to reveal some of the 10 important tips and tricks while using Windows 10. Now, this is some of them for beginner and some of them for advanced user, and it will come in handy a lot in your daily activity. So, yeah, let's start with the countdown of it. Tip number one is secret start menu. When searching for important setting, most of the time when we are searching it in control panel and setting, kind of time consuming, not that much, but if you right click on our start menu, and then you will see here all of the important setting that we need most of the time, like power, start, task manager, command prompt, run, and all of the setting that we probably needed when we searching it in the setting or even start menu or control panel. So yeah, this is very important and come in handy when you are accessing the important most frequently usable setting in your Windows. Shake away the Windows is back was released in Windows 7 and it's very pretty important. When your Windows is pretty much cluttered with all of the apps opened and you want to just only focus on only one Windows that you currently open. All you got to do is to simply shake that Windows by using your mouse on the title bar, and then it will minimize all other windows except of the one that we are currently shaking. And then when you again shake it, it will maximize the windows. So yeah. Now the third one is my favorite. It is enable to slide to shut down. Back was released in Windows 8.1 and it is my favorite. All you have to do is to copy this following directory path from the description. It will be given, and then just simply open up the run, and just by pressing Windows plus R, or you can simply open up from the secret start menu that we are talking about and then click on run, and then simply paste this, then it will open up this slide to shut down. However, if you want to make a shortcut for this that will instantly you can access on your desktop, there is a better way. Simply copy this again path to your start menu, and then it will open up this. Then just simply right click and then open file location. I can see here it's inside the folder of system32. Then simply right click and then send to desktop for a shortcut. And you can just rename the shortcut if you want to. Now if you bit of feel weird about this, about the icon, it is. And you can also change the icon of it if you want. Just simply right click and then click on property and then click on change icon. So yeah, you can change icon of whatever you like. Pretty amazing, right? And then once you create the shortcut, just simply tap on it and then simply drag down it, then your Windows will be shut down automatically. Pretty fantastic, doesn't it? Now drag to pin windows is some sort of like what is called the multitasking. When you are working here with simultaneously applications, for example, sending messages and while watching some sort of movies, videos or stuff like that on the Windows. Now this feature was back released in Windows 7 probably, but it's very straightforward. Simply just drag the windows of whatever you want to any side. For example, in this case I want to open up this browser on the left side and I want to open up the file explorer on the other side. Then simply just drag the browser to left side and then it will show you that which application you want to choose for the right side, and then simply tap on it and you are good to go. So this is pretty important. You can also try here with the bottom left corner and the top right corner. Just simply drag and drop the windows that you want to open up, then you can just be good to go with running simultaneously 4 applications at the same time and while seeing it in real time. You can change the color of CMD. The itself color is become sort of when you're using too much of the command prompt for your daily activity, it's become cumbersome. Well, there is a bit of trick. If you type here color and then type here help, it will show you all the helps that you want to change here, the color of Windows command prompt. Then you can see here the corresponding color. Then all you got to do is simply type here color 1, then it will instantly change that color to the corresponding color given above in the help menu. Then you can simply try here with color whatever number that with the corresponding color and it will change the command prompt. Cloud keyboard. Now, this cloud keyboard was big released in, I think, in 2018, the version of 1903 probably, but it's come in handy a lot in your daily activity. When you copy something to your clipboard, you don't see her actually in the previous version like Windows 8 and Windows 7. But in Windows 10, it has been modernized to see what you have copied to your clipboard. For example, when you copy this text, then it will be automatically shown in this clipboard. And then again, when you copy something text, then it will store all the clipboard history in the clipboard cloud, which is very important. And then you can access this simply by pressing Windows plus V on your keyboard. Make sure it's enabled in the setting, click on setting and then just simply type her clipboard. So make sure the slider is enabled, then it will instantly work. Now you can just paste this by pressing Windows plus V, whatever text you have copied previously in while running this. Now do keep in mind that it will be erased automatically when you shut down your PC. Snip is one of my favorite in this list, of course. When you click on this notification icon on the bottom right corner and click on screen snip, it will show you where you can just drag this on the windows of whatever windows you want to capture the screenshot. When you drag on a windows, and then it will automatically copy to the clipboard. Now you can easily paste it to where you want, for example sending it to your friend on WhatsApp or Telegram. Then by pressing Ctrl V, then it will automatically paste there, and simply instead of just finding it on the third party application in a Windows and then dragging the file to it is a lot of time consuming is hassle, I would say. So yeah, pretty important. Clean snip. If you never been used here the emojis in Windows, you can type emojis in your Windows 10 if you don't know. And how that works, simply just where you are typing your comments and then press Windows plus dot on your keyboard. Then it will showing all of the emojis that you want to type here. For example, you can search it for whatever you want. And this was big recently released in 2018 in Windows 10, and this was a great feature. You will always like it when writing messages and comments in the videos and stuff like that. Pretty fantastic. Now this one come in handy a lot when you have a lot of stuff like opening images, photography, and you want to see how the thumbnail properly according to your own size. Well, here is my folder that is just some of the random images. If you open up any folder in your file explorer, then if you press Ctrl plus and scrolling up and scrolling down on your mouse will dynamically increase the thumbnail of your file explorer. Now in this case you can see here I'm holding Control and then scrolling up to increase the size of thumbnail and then scrolling down to decrease the size of thumbnail. So in this case it will be more customizable for the user the way it wants to be. And this is fantastic trick, you will love it. Now here is some of my number 10 bonus tips. It is called the shortcuts. If you ever wonder for searching any important setting, you can easily access any setting in your control panel. For example, you can Google it of course, but in this case I'm gonna show you some of my daily setting that I want to access instantly from start menu. For example, if I want to access the mouse setting from control panel, then I will simply type here in start menu main.cpl and then hit enter. Then it will open up the mouse setting instantly. Similarly, if I want to open up the devices management and manager and all of that stuff, you can just simply type here hdwiz.cpl, then it will open up the device manager. So yeah, come in handy a lot while using these shortcuts. Likewise, it's accessing here the control panel setting by through this type of path when you're typing it in start menu. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video and learn something, and let us know in the comment section of which one was your favorite. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also if you like my overall contents, you can smash that subscribe button and ring the bell notification for upcoming more contents and tech videos related. So I hope I will see you in the next episode. Peace out.